Hey guys, welcome to Rose Frappuccino, and today we are going to make slime. So for today's slime, we are going to need some Elmer's glue, a type of activator. I am using laundry detergent today, a bowl to mix it in, something to stir it with, some lotion, and a container to store it in. Something that is optional stuff to use is some acrylic paint, food dye to give your slime some color, and some and some scent. I will be using both of these. So please get your supplies and we'll begin to make slime. So first, what we're going to do is that we are going to pour the glue into our bowl. That should be enough for now. I'm going to put on the cap. And now we're going to add a third cup of water. And we're going to pour it in there. And now we're going to stir it up. I'm going to stir it up for a little bit. So right now your glue and water should be mostly a little watery, mostly watery. So now I'm going to add a little bit more glue to the mixture, but not a lot, just a little bit of glue. So there, you're going to stir your slime up until there are no lumps and bumps. Now there are no more lumps and bumps in my slime. So now I'm going to add my activator. And I'm going to put a little bit of activator into my glue mixture. And now I'm going to stir it, and then there should be at least something happening, and like my slime is at least a little bit going together. And then I'm gonna add some more activator so my slime is not until my slime stops sticking to my the item I'm mixing with. So then you're gonna start wanting to knead your slime, so then your slime starts to take shape. It shouldn't be sticky anymore, and it should start to be feeling stretchy and nice. And also, while you start playing it for a while, it should start to get really hard. So then you're gonna start adding your lotion into slime to make it still stretchy. So then, this is my slime at the end. I think you should really try and make this DIY. So once you're done playing with your slime, you might want to put it into a container so then it's airtight and it stays fun all the time. And then guys, also thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if you liked it, please like and subscribe. And then I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!